Hello, my name is Michelle Hughes and I'm a printmaker and designer. So I'm here in my garden studio in York and I'd like to give you a personal tour. So thank you for joining me today. There's loads of information on my website, which is michellehughes.co.uk. There's step-by-step guides and blogs and things like that. But otherwise, I look forward to meeting you in the flesh really soon. There's at least 6 months' work gone into setting up for York Open Studios and creating all my new linocut prints. So it's been a little bit devastating that I can't actually share them with you in person. So see you soon, take care, and I hope I've inspired you to be a little bit more creative.